Yahoo! Welcome to Kota's Kitchen. Today's segments Shogayaki. Shogayaki is usually a big slice of pork marinated in shoga, like ginger and soy sauce. But today we have tons of guests from Nikkei community internship, about 12 young people who experienced working at the Nikkei Japanese American non-profits. They are having a great experience, and today they are visiting NIchi Foundation. And today I have an honor to feed them with my great cooking. So instead of using the big slice of pork, I'm using the small pieces of pork instead to make it donburi style, so that you can eat pretty easy. You know, you don't need the plates, you know, not the formal, but this is Nichi, Nichi Cafe is all about the kind of informal cooking. Right, to prep, first I have to add salt and pepper on the meat. Right, just sprinkling pepper and not too much salt, and then mix just a little bit. Right, next, the most important ingredients of today, ginger. I would like to peel this first, but today I would like our Nichi NCI intern to do this.
Hi, I'm Erki. I've been with Nichi since May, and I'm also part of the Nikkei community internship.
I would like to give Erki a tip how to peel the ginger. When you peel, you might use the knife to peel, but today there's an easy tool to peel, spoon. There's a so easy way to peel the ginger. Take a look. So hold your spoon on your leading hand, and then ginger. All you need to do is sliding.
It's that easy.
Yes.
Because I was always cutting with the knife,
Oh, yeah?
cutting the sides. Yeah.
Really?
I didn't
Yeah,
know.
I used to do that too. Right. Okay. Thank you, Oki.
Thank you.
And okay, next we are going to grate and then also cut to pieces.
Is this like a traditional Japanese dish, or is
Oh
it?
yeah, very traditional. And
So not yoshoku or something.
Yoshoku? No, it's a washoku. Yeah. Can I ask questions to interns? Have you had a shogayaki before? Really? Are you Japanese Americans? So during the summer, you know, Japan is really hot, and lots of people just lose their energy. So, you know, those shoga really helps them enhance their immune system. So that's why it's a summer food. Yeah.
I also heard it's really good for your gut health. I
Gut
think.
health? Yeah. Well, I didn't know that. Yeah, it's great.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Oh, perfect. You are doing great. Yeah, thank you. All right, next, of course, I'm going to make the sauce mix beforehand. So cooking becomes so easy. First, Japanese sake, 8 ounce.
I heard that sake, like,
Not enough. You have extra.
I heard that sake helps with softening up the meat. Is that right?
That's true, yes. Yeah, softening up the meat and also getting rid of kind of meaty smell. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for asking. Sorry, I messed up. It's not the 8 ounce. It's 4 ounce. It's too much.
I've never seen this before.
Good. All right, next. Show you 3 ounces. All right, and mirin, just 1.5 ounces. I'm just gonna use my eye to do it.
I've always wondered what's the difference between sake and mirin.
Hold on a second.
You can't do two things at once. Huh?
Yeah, sake and mirin difference is, to be honest, I don't know. All I know is sweetened sake.
Right.
Yeah. Sorry. Sugar, 6 teaspoons. Oh, this is a lot because I'm feeding about 20 people today. All right, so let's begin with cooking meat first. So can you splash the oil first? Right, yeah, can you add all the meat?
Yes.
All the meat. Ryan, can you pass me the meat?
Thanks. Are we just waiting for the pork to brown, or?
Yeah, I want kind of 80% cook. Yeah. Okay, now adding onions. Okay. Right, now adding a sauce.
300.
But yeah, so the Soy and Tofu Festival is one of the many things.
Thank you. She's looking for help for vendor coordination too.
Right, now the onion is kind of looking dissolved and looks good. So I'm going to add shredded ginger and then minced. Okay, all right. So Shogayaki, Nichibe Shogayaki is almost done. So I add rice and then shredded cabbage here. So I am adding up this on top of cabbage. And here it is. Nichibe Shogayaki Teishoku.
I'm hungry.
You have yours, right?